I think that the diversity of perspectives that we will have the opportunity to see here is very aligned to what we want to do at MAFS. That's why I absolutely love this year's theme for WEF, building trust. So building trust is something that is very close to our heart at MAF. We have relaunched a culture journey where we want to ensure that we're focused on being both passionate and together, which is the essence of our founder. And you don't get to truly do that and then play all the catalyzing practices of collaborating authentically, challenging with kindness, etc., if there is not a trust base to begin with. In the past, we needed as leaders or supervisors or managers to be able to see people, to believe there's productivity happening. And COVID came in and shattered all these paradigms, right? If we trust our people and we allow flexibility, and it goes beyond flexibility, because it's not flexibility and you can work 1 or 2 days a week, or you can from the office or from home, or you can, I don't know, arrive at whatever time you need to the office, etc. It's also really just giving freedom to people, freedom to explore, freedom to decide what to do, freedom to be empowered to get us to greater heights. So what are those fundamentals that we need to reflect on through which we can build trust? And I think it's really about transparency, which I think Ahmed Ismail has brought to MAF very clearly this past year. Also consistency and accountability, right? So I think that we will have a lot to hear from here in Davos, and a lot to reflect on and bring back home.